Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm making an unboxing video about my Canon 200D II. So let's begin. So I have the box over here of the 200D II, as you can see here. The version I have here is of the 18 to 55mm kit lens. So let's see what all is inside the box. So as you could see, that all the items inside the box were the most common items you get with a camera. So one was the camera itself, then the kit lens. Because I chose the 18 to 55mm package, so I got the kit lens as the 18 to 55mm. However, if you choose some other package, you might get an additional lens too. Then there's the battery, which comes separately. It's not installed in the camera directly. You have to charge it and then install it. Then there's a charging cable and the charging box, you can say, the one which you plug in your charger, the one in which you plug in your battery. And apart from that, you have your camera strap. So thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. In case there's any other question or anything you want to ask, you can always comment below in the video. If you found the video useful, please subscribe and like it, as it will help my channel. Thank you.